Okay, this is a video going to show you how to get to the gang sheet builder to build your DTF gang sheet. Okay, let's go to our regular website, cleancutgraphics.com. Under DTF, it'll say DTF gang sheet builder. Click on that. It'll send you to this website, marksdtf.com. It's just my other website for easy loading of the gang sheets into our software. Go up to the top where it says direct to film, DTF gang sheet builder 30-inch. Click on that. Goes to the product page. You can read all this stuff to get information on the image quality guidelines to help you get your artwork ready. But to go to the gang sheet builder, select this build your own gang sheet. And there you are. Start a brand new gang sheet. And this is where you build your gang sheet. You upload your images here. Upload goes into wherever you have your images. You upload them in here and bring them over here. I'm going to use the gallery real quick. This is what we already have set up on here, and anybody is welcome to use it. They're free, but they're actually print ready. They're not. You don't have to do much to them. Just don't make them bigger, make them smaller if you need something. So you just kind of click one over here, and it's got a green square around it here, which means optimal resolution 300 dpi or more. If you make it smaller, it's still going to stay green. If you make it bigger, at some point, it's going to change color. See how it changed to yellow there? I'm just going to make this bigger so you can see it. Yellow is good resolution. It's above 250. So the point is, the more you make it bigger, the bigger you make it, the more pixelated it's going to be. Even though you really can't see it on here, that's going to look pixelated. Black, terrible resolution. It's going to look horrible. So that's the thing. When you bring in images, bring them in large and make them smaller. And that's it. You literally just load up however many you want, different ones. Make them the size you want. Hit save and add to cart, and it goes and pays for it. Then you're good. And that's as easy as it comes. Thanks for watching.